Hello dear student, welcome to the e-Pathshala in the Department of Physics, Shri RLT College of Science, Akola. It's our lecture number 2 of the chapter Superconductivity, and it's a part 2 in which we'll see the Meissner effect. In 1920, Meissner discovered not only did superconductor exhibit zero resistance but also spontaneous expel all magnetic flux when cooled through the superconducting transition, that is, they are also perfect diamagnetic. We call this Meissner effect. In simple word, here we can say as if the superconducting material is cooled in magnetic field below its critical temperature, then at transition the lines of magnetic flux are pushed out. This phenomena is called Meissner effect. So the limit of external magnetic field strength at which superconductor can exclude the field is known as critical field strength, which is represented as Hc. So for more detail or more explanation or elaborate of the phenomena of Meissner effect, here we can see the example. So consider a specimen of superconducting material in a spherical shape is placed in a magnetic field as shown in the figure. Now reduce the temperature of the superconducting material below its critical temperature. The magnetic field is expelled from the interior of the material, that is, flux does not penetrate the material because current appear on the surface of the rod whose magnetic field exactly cancelled the original field inside it. This indicates that the superconductor are perfectly diamagnetic. There is no magnetic field exists inside the superconductor under any circumstances. So this is in the first figure show that the applied magnetic field can exist inside a superconducting material at temperature above the critical temperature Tc. And in the second figure show that when the superconductor is cooled below Tc, the surface current appear whose effect is to expel the magnetic field from the interior of the superconductor. This Meissner effect would not occur in any ordinary conductor. It is the characteristics of superconductivity only. So we also know that in our previous lecture we discussed about the diamagnetic material whose magnetic susceptibility is negative, unity, so -1. So in this case we can prove that the superconducting susceptibility is also become a -1. So the Meissner effect show that when an external magnetic field H bar is applied to the superconductor, then it behaves as if inside the material the value of B bar is equal to 0. We know that inside the when we cool this material below the Tc, then magnetic flux repel from this material, and we know that inside this B is equals to 0. So we know this formula B bar equals to mu naught H bar plus M bar. We also discussed in the previous chapter number 5, magnetic properties of material. So the B bar is equals to mu naught H bar plus M. So when the material become a superconductor, so at that time the B bar inside the material is 0. So we put here B bar is equals to 0. So if we put a B bar is equals to 0, our equation become H bar is equals to minus M bar. Okay, because this term is 0, mu naught is taken in this left hand side, so also become a 0. So therefore the equation become H bar plus M bar is equals to 0, and we place here H bar is equals to minus M bar. So where M bar is the intensity of induced magnetism, at a critical temperature Tc. So therefore B bar is equals to 0. If you put a B bar equals to 0, H bar is equals to minus M bar. So we can rearrange this equation. M bar is equals to M bar is upon H bar is equals to minus 1. So we also know that the ratio of M bar upon H bar is nothing but the susceptibility, and we get a susceptibility is equals to minus 1, is equivalent to the diamagnetic material. So therefore the susceptibility of the superconductor is negative at unity. So here we can say as the material become a diamagnetic. Okay, in simple word हम यहाँ पे बोल सकते हैं कि जब सुपर कंडक्टिंग मटेरियल का टेम्परेचर ये क्रिटिकल टेम्परेचर से कम रहता है तो मटेरियल सुपर कंडक्टिंग बन जाता है, और जब भी मटेरियल सुपर कंडक्टर बन जाता है तो अगर हम उसके अंदर जब इसके पहले सुपर कंडक्टर मटेरियल के पहले नॉर्मल स्टेट में अगर उसके अंदर से मैग्नेटिक लाइंस ऑफ फ्लक्स पास हो रहा है तो जैसे ही वो सुपर कंडक्टर बन जाता है उसके अंदर के जो मैग्नेटिक लाइंस ऑफ फोर्स जो पास हो रहे थे वो ऑटोमेटिकली पुश होने चालू हो जाते हैं, और उस मटेरियल के अंदर से वो मैग्नेटिक लाइंस ऑफ फोर्स पास नहीं होते हैं। इसी फिनोमेना को हम मेशनर इफेक्ट ऐसा बोलेंगे। तो इसके बहुत अच्छे एप्लीकेशन है, जैसे हम बोल सकते हैं कि मैग्नेटिक लेविटेशन, ठीक है, जो हम आपके आगे एप्लीकेशन में देखने वाले हैं। ठीक है, सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट द मेशनर इफेक्ट। सो थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो।